for the ideas to do it. I think he's chewing on the mic. He was eating the mic. Hey, I'm Charlotte. I'm one of the students here at APC College Burleigh doing the VETiS program. I chose to study healthcare because my family is very into healthcare, and I also believe it's one of the most sustainable jobs there is this day and age and will always be. I want to do healthcare and step into this industry, but I think it's amazing for everyone. I think I was most nervous about getting things wrong because I've always been someone who likes to be correct all the time and I don't like making mistakes, but then I learnt with the help of our trainers and our classmates that it's actually better to make mistakes. That way they can help you so you don't make mistakes in the future. My favourite workshop and hands-on experience we've done was our light-up CPR dummies. So if you do it correctly, the whole dummy lights up, and if you do it wrong, there's no light, so it's pretty stressful trying to maintain that light. But it is very fun, and we had some competitions, and it was great. One thing that really surprised me about how much mental health aspect goes into paramedicine and studying healthcare, because it's not just someone's physical body, it's also the mentality, someone's mental state, and if they're struggling, and how a person's mental state can affect their body so much, and that really surprised me. To anyone who's questioning studying healthcare, I would say 100% jump into it. If you want to do it, go for it, because there is so much different opportunities in this industry, and I think APC is the perfect place to start because they offer everything. My plan after completing this VETiS program is next year to start my major in speech pathology and minor in biomed at Southern Cross. Honestly, I wanted to do it since I was 13, 14 years old, but coming to APC really set me up for the ideas to do it. I think he's chewing on the mic, so that might not be good actually. I think he was chewing on it. And APC doing healthcare really helped me lead into that, and I'm very grateful for them.